Anything I can do to help here?
Yeah. Oh, don't compromise the cheese with other cheeses.
Compromise.
What's up? Today we are reviewing vegan cheeses. I have my friend Chelsea here, flexitarian, also one of my longest friends. She's not long in the sense of tall, but not she's in terms of how long we've known each other. Have you had much for vegan cheese?
I've had a few, but not as many as we're trying today.
Yeah, okay, we're trying a few. So today we are doing all vegan cream cheeses. We have a couple flavored here. So we have tofuti. We have humble seeds. This is a Sriracha version. And then this is in French, so I can't read it. Fresh petite chèvre aux herbes. Can you say it better?
No, you did a great job.
Myokos. This is a sensational scallion. And these crackers that you brought.
Water crackers. It's very exciting.
Yes, thank you. Which one do you want to start with?
This one with the most least attractive packaging.
Tofuti. So we are rating these a score out of 10. Okay, so this is the only plain cream cheese, so maybe that's a disadvantage for this one, but we will see.
You can always mix it with stuff.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What you think?
It's good. It's very much similar to regular cream cheese that I've had. Yeah.
It's
neutral.
neutral.
Like it could be a good base for stuff.
It's not like a strong artificial flavor, which I was a bit worried about. I think that might be a 10 for texture.
Yeah, I would say 10.
Okay. Flavor.
8. I feel like it's not like, oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever had. Yeah. But compared to like a regular plain cream cheese, I feel like you could fool anybody with this. So
I gotta give it the exact same score too. 8.
Wow, same level.
Yeah. Okay, next we have this humble seeds Sriracha. So this one is actually made from sunflower seeds. And so I think it's the healthiest one we got. In terms of ingredients, we have water, sunflower seeds, buckwheat seeds, sunflower seed oil, etc., etc. But yeah, pretty solid ingredients.
Clean, real stuff.
Was expecting that.
Yeah. Anything I can do to help here?
Yeah. Oh, don't compromise the cheese with other cheeses.
Compromise. Cheers.
Cheers.
Did you say cheers with cheese?
It's a pretty neutral flavor.
Yeah, it's more of like the sensation of spicy, not like this tastes like chilies.
I like it though.
Yeah, it's good.
I feel like it could be a bit better, or maybe like some salt actually. That's what I gotta try.
Are you allowed to edit the cheeses before you rate them?
Edit the cheeses? Oh,
like throw salt on them.
I think that's what I needed to bring out the flavor.
Thank you. Yeah, that does make a difference.
Yeah.
Yep. It's good. I like
it. Scores.
Flavor, I'd say like a 7. And then texture, also a 7.
I feel like I'm doing the exact score, so
Such
maybe I need to go first. Okay, flavor. I'm gonna give it a 6 without the salt, and 7.5 with the salt.
We can do halves.
So, yeah, sure. So just put in the 7.5. And because when it averages out, you only get halves anyways. For texture, I'll give that a 9.
You gonna sneeze? Look at the light.
There's lights in front of me. Okay, I'm not gonna sneeze. We had a imposter, and this is the one we're actually reviewing, Violife cream cheese.
I'm excited to try this. I really like Violife's cheddar actually that you're talking about.
Now, do you want to know the ingredients before or after on this one?
That sounds threatening. I don't know. Is it weird ingredients or something? Like I don't know.
No. Water, coconut oil, potato starch, sea salt. Stuff.
It's very white, I must say.
Yes. Wow. Well, so we did have another neutral flavor.
Okay. So do we need the chili stuff for this too? I'm for it. I'll grab it.
Maybe we can break it in half. So.
We're gonna cheers, right? Every
cheers.
time?
Definitely creamy. Definitely neutral. I mean, it tastes just like the tofuti one.
I feel like it tastes a bit different.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not sure what it is though.
I feel like this one tastes slightly less artificial.
Yeah, I like the tofuti one better.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it with
Okay.
this.
We're not gonna cheers again.
No. Way better with the with some flavor. Okay, scores. Texture, I'm gonna give it a 9, and taste, I'm gonna give it a 8.
I'm gonna give it for texture an 8 and taste a 7.
Cool. Next we have Myokos, not Mykonos, which I originally thought it was. Have you been to Mykonos?
No, have you?
No.
No. I've heard this is really good though. I'm actually excited to try this one.
Okay, we have a sensational scallion here. No added oil. That's an interesting one. Ooh, going extra on this one. That tastes the most like cheese to me. Like the sharpness of it.
I think that's it, because there's no lemon juice, it's just cultures.
Wow.
Crazy.
So that's like a true cheese. I'm gonna give Flavour a 9.5.
Damn, that's pretty good. Yeah, I'll go 9. I'll go 9 on flavor.
Okay. Texture, I'm gonna go... Nothing's wrong with texture. I'm gonna go 9.
I'm gonna go 9 too.
Okay. Okay, let's tally these up. So, we gave it to the Tofudi, but I think we need to add in a health score. If we were adding in a health score,
Ingredients.
I think we would be Humble Seeds in first,
Yeah.
Myokos in second, Violife in third.
Are these two pretty similar?
No, that's cashews.
And this is. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah.
Well, and then this, lots of...
Yeah.
A few unknown ingredients.
Yeah. So it depends on what you're going for, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this one got a really good score because it's
because of the price,
too, right?
yeah. So if price is your thing, this is the one. If you don't care about price, then
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Thank you for watching. We have some more cheese reviews that you can check out. We've reviewed cheddar. We are also reviewing a bunch more. These are all vegan cheeses, and so yeah, we're just packed here. We got some specialty cheeses. We got some smoked Gouda. We have some black garlic. You're in for a treat.
Make me nachos.
Nachos. We'll do some nachos with some of the shredded stuff. So look out for that. One down.
Oh, that was a bad high five. Try again.
One down.
Can we try them all?
Yeah.